Hi, I'm Ann Maine. I'm president of the Lake County Forest Preserve District, and I'm here at Rollins Savanna, and we're going to learn a little bit about the history of Rollins Savanna and the sorts of activities that are going on here. So if you look behind me, you can see how beautiful it is. And this is a view that if you were here 200 years ago when Illinois became a state in 1818, this is the view you would have seen. In 1958, Lake County Forest Preserve District was formed by referendum, and we started buying land throughout the county. Here in Rollins Savanna, the first purchase was in 1989, and we've had subsequent purchases, so that now this is over 1,200 acres. Now, when we started buying the land, it didn't look like what you see right here. So we had to do a lot of restoration work so that you get the savanna that you see today. I'm really happy to introduce Commissioner Jeff Werfel. Jeff, this is District 6, and I know you're here a lot. Can you tell us a little bit about what we're going to learn?
And welcome to District 6. It's a beautiful day. We're here at Rollins Savanna and the Native Seed Nursery, and we're going to learn a little bit more about what they do here and what we're trying to accomplish.
Sounds interesting. I'm excited to learn more.
So am I.
Hi, I'm Kelly Schultz. I'm the Native Seed Nursery Coordinator here at Rollins Savanna.
Kelly, can you tell us a little bit about what you're doing here?
Glad to. So with the Native Seed Nursery, we are basically seed farmers. We're here to grow lots of different native seeds. We have wildflowers, grasses, sedges, rushes, shrubs, and vines that we are cultivating. And then all those seeds are used in all of our forest preserves across Lake County. This is called Michigan lily or Turk's cap lily. It's a great example of one of our primary goals of the seed nursery. We are focused on trying to fill in the gaps of what's available commercially, and it's also an example of protecting and promoting the local genotype, because if we can find a remnant population, it's literally spent thousands of years getting used to Lake County conditions and will ultimately be the best suited to succeed in our restorations.
I'm here with Commissioner Steve Carlson. He represents District 7. We're on a trail in Rollins Savanna. And Steve, I understand there's a lot of exciting news about trail connections in Rollins Savanna.
And exciting is putting it mildly. There are going to be connections now between the whole west side of Gurnee and Rollins Savanna, which is the second biggest forest preserve in the entire system. We're very excited about some intergovernmental cooperation that made that possible, and I'm looking forward to having people meet us out here on the trail.
Sounds great.
This is what I'm excited about. This is the intersection of 45 and Data. It's always been very dangerous to cross. We're working with the Lake County Department of Transportation in the state of Illinois to put a pedestrian safe crossing here, which will lead to an entrance, a brand new entrance to Rollins Savanna.
So whenever I go hiking or biking, and I bike here a lot, I always bring my binoculars because you never know what you're going to see. And in fact, there are 79 different species of birds. There are a number of other threatened and endangered species that are here, that if we didn't have this restoration, they would have no place to go. So Rollins Savanna is part of a larger complex of about 2,000 acres that includes McDonald Woods, Third Lake, and other areas. But importantly, our forest preserve system is also part of really an international system, because there are birds that come through here that are going to winter in South America, Central America, and the southern U.S. And when they come back, they stop here, and then they head farther up. So I hope that you can come out here, enjoy Rollins Savanna, and know that the birds and plants and species that you see here are things that have been here for thousands of years. And because of your support of the Forest Preserve, we are also helping to preserve an ecosystem that stretches around the world.